today we're nomading about Pristina, Kosovo.
And we are starting our day at our favorite coffee bar, Loga Lounge and Bar.
And this is the best coffee we've had in a couple of weeks at least.
It is really fabulous. The newborn monument represents a new Kosovo. Kosovo declared its independence in 2008.
Over 115 countries recognize Kosovo as an independent country. We are standing in front of the Bill Clinton statue. The people of Kosovo loved Bill Clinton for his support of the Albanians and the country during the war in the late 1990s.
He was here in 2009 for the unveiling of the statue, and then again this year in 2019 for the 10-year anniversary.
So his support obviously continues.
The foundation of the Cathedral of Mother Teresa was laid by the Muslim president of Kosovo at the time, and it created quite a bit of controversy because of the large size of the cathedral compared to the relatively small number of Catholics in Kosovo.
But everybody came together to celebrate the opening of the cathedral on Mother Teresa's 100th birthday, where both Muslims and Catholics turned out to celebrate. The National Library, which is behind us, has had 7 names since 1944 due to country and regime changes.
It was a command center for the Yugoslavian army during the Yugoslavian wars. Unfortunately, during that time it was ransacked, and sadly 100,000 Albanian language books were destroyed. Its unique architecture reflects Byzantine and Muslim Turkish influences.
So we are stopping on the walking street for a little snack at Mezzo Burger, which are these huge burgers. You can see them.
Which is not a little burger. Not a little snack.
€1. It's crazy. You can see they're
Cooking right behind
us.
It's very good. Again, the meat in different countries has a different taste than it does in America. But it's fabulous. I really like it. Skanderbeg was an important Albanian general who fought against the Ottomans. He consistently beat the Ottomans even though they always had larger forces and were better equipped. He became known as the most persistent Otto rebel.
The statue is located at one end of the walking street that bears his name. It is lined with apartments, restaurants, and shops. And while we were here, we saw a big screen TV erected at one end of the square so everyone could come out and cheer on Kosovo as they played England.
The Imperial Mosque was built under Mehmed the Conqueror around 1460, and it suffered quite a bit of damage through the years from wars and earthquakes, but it's still standing.
The famous Albanian poet Peter Bogdanovich is buried here, and he was buried when the Austrians took control of the mosque and made it a church. Eventually, though, the Ottomans took back control of the mosque, and when they did, they dug up Bogdanovich's body and threw his bones in the street.